Hujambo. Today let's talk about Swahili vowels. Did you know that Swahili vowels never change their sounds? Ndio. This makes Swahili very easy to pronounce. In English, the sound of a vowel can change depending on the word. For example, egg and English. The sound of E is not the same. But in Swahili, vowels have only one sound. A, E, I, O, U. For example, let's hear the sound of A in different words. Baba, mama, dada, gari. Now let's hear E in different words, which is A in Swahili. Embe, tembea. How about I? Imba, ingia. And O, ondoka. How about U? Wingu. There you have it. You can hear same vowels have same sound in different words.